Welcome to the American Helicopter Museum and Education Center. My name is Vern Weidman, and I am a docent here. Variety of helicopters you see here today, each has its own story to tell. What we have done at the museum is to attach an NFC tag, just as you use to pay at Wawa, with your smartphone. The app that we use is called easy.travel, and it's izi.travel. You download the app to your phone to be able to connect to each of the helicopter stories. This is the UH-34 helicopter. You don't need to wait for me. You can see and hear the story using your smartphone. All you need to do, first of all, is to load the tour, the QR code to get you tour, and then you can use your phone to tap the NFC tag and hear the story.
The Sikorsky UH-34 was one of the last big radial piston engine powered helicopters. It's a rendezvous.
This is one of those stories that maybe most docents don't even know about, but you get the chance to hear just by tapping on the NFC tag. I hope you've enjoyed these snippets and learned about the NFC tags that we have on all of our displays. I've got to go help some folks right now, but come on back and try it.